Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you all? Okay, bache, as you know, I'm your maths teacher and I'm your playgroup teacher. Okay. So in this time, this is your maths class. Okay. And in maths class, we learn different things like different shapes, different digits, different colors. Okay. Counting. We learn counting. In maths class, we learn counting. Okay, so the name of your maths book is My First Book of Number, Shapes, Colors. Okay, इसमें हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? नंबर्स पढ़ते हैं लाइक 1 2 3, शेप्स पढ़ते हैं लाइक सर्कल, स्क्वायर, ट्राइंगल और डिफरेंट कलर्स पढ़ते हैं लाइक रेड, ब्लू, ग्रीन. ओके, सो today we start our class, but before we start our class, first we revise yesterday digits, okay? Like we revise 1, 2, and 3. So when we revise after we learn today's topic, okay? So our first we revise all the revised topic. So tell me which digit is this? 1. Which date is this? 1 and 1 means 8. क्लास जो भी एक चीज होती है जिसका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं होता है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल 1 नोज, 1 माउथ, 1 हेड, जिसका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं होता है, जो बिल्कुल अलोन होता है, तो वो कौन सा डिजिट होता है? 1. सो विच डेट इज दिस? 1. और 1 का जो शेप होता है वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट लाइन की तरह होता है. लाइक लुक एट योर इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड लुक एट डिजिट 1. हमारा जो इंडेक्स फिंगर होता है ये बिल्कुल डिजिट 1 की शेप की तरह होता है, ठीक है, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट. सो which date is this? 1. Which date is this? 1. Wow. And what is this class? Car. What is this? Car. Like your baba has car. आपके बाबा के साथ भी कार होता है. आप जब स्कूल जिस गाड़ी में आते हो तो वो भी कार होता है. Okay. So what is this? Car. Okay. And tell me how many cars? 1 car. Where Abdullah bache, how many cars? Show me your one finger. How many cars? Abdullah, how many cars? This is 1 car or 2 cars? How many? 1. Very good. Okay, so this is digit 1. ये कौन सा digit है? 1. And what is this? 1 car. Okay, and the color is red. Very good. So the next one is which date is this? 2. After 1 we learn digit 2. So which date is this? 2. Abdullah bache, unmute your mic. Abdullah. Okay. So which date is this? 2. Okay, all of you show me your 2 fingers or 2 hands. Show me your 2 fingers or 2 hands. All of you. Very good, Urwa. Well done. Very nice, Anabia. Huran bache, show me your 2 fingers. Huran, show me your 2 fingers. Good. So which date is this? 2. बच्चे 2 means 2. जो भी 2 चीजें होती है, like for example, I will show you. See, these are 2 scales, 1 and 2. ये 2 है ना, so इसको हम कौन सा digit कहेंगे? 2. 1 and 2. How many rulers? 1 and 2. These are 2. When I skip this one ruler, जब इससे मैं एक ruler remove करूंगी तो कितने मेरे साथ रह गए हैं? 1. We left only 1 ruler. Okay. So जब ये एक का होता है तो वो 1 होता है, और जब इसके साथ दूसरा फ्रेंड आ जाता है तो how many digits? This is digit 2. Okay. So we learn about digit 2. So which date is this? 2. And what are these? 2 leaves. Okay. And tell me class, leaves जो होते हैं वो कहाँ पर होते हैं? ट्रीज में. वेरी गुड. लीव्स कहाँ पर होते हैं? ट्रीज में होते हैं. जिस तरह हम फॉर एग्जांपल एप्पल का ट्री होता है तो उसमें भी ग्रीन कलर के लीव्स होते हैं. मैंगो का ट्री जो होता है उसमें भी ग्रीन कलर के लीव्स होते हैं. ग्रेप्स वाले ट्री में भी ग्रीन कलर की लीव्स होते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट आर दी 2 लीव्स. बट बच्चे जो ट्रीज में जो जो लीव्स होते हैं ना, जो जो पत्ते होते हैं, तो वो तो बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं क्योंकि बड़े बड़े ट्रीज होते हैं. और हमारे बुक में सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 लीव्स है, सिर्फ 2 लीव्स है. लाइक दिस वन, सी 1 and 2. These are 2 leaves. जिस तरह हमने 1 में 1 कार पढ़ा था ना, उसका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं था, लेकिन 2 जो है उसका फ्रेंड है, तो वो कितने हो गए हैं 2. How many 2? Okay, now turn your page, turn your book page and look at this. Okay, very good. So now the third one is, which date is this? 3. Which date is this? 3. Like I will show you 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. How many fingers? 3 fingers. Like I will show you markers. Like see 1, 2 and 3. Okay, how many markers? 3 markers. Like one is the black one, 2 is green one, and the 3 is blue. So how many markers? 3 markers. Okay, I remove 1 marker. So how many markers are left? See, how many markers? 2 markers. Very good. I remove another one. So how many markers are left? 1. Lonely. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so these are 3 markers. इसी तरह book में भी how many balloons? These are 3 hot air balloons. Like the one is big one, the second one is medium, and the third one is small. So one balloon, 2 balloons and 3 balloons. How many balloons? Tell me. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 hot air balloons. Okay. When I hide the small one balloon, so how many balloons are left? 2 balloons. Very good. I also one more balloon. So how many balloons are left? 1 balloon. And when I will show you these 3 balloons, so how many balloons are there? These are 3 hot air balloons. Like 1, 2, 3. So how many hot air balloons? 3 hot air balloons. Okay. And this is digit 3. Very good. Now all of you show me your 3 fingers. Shabash. Urwa, show me your 3 fingers. Good. Well done. Okay, Zavia, you show me. Very good, Huran. Very nice. Anabia Fawad, you have done. Show me. Very good. Very nice. Anabia Fawad is done. Good. Very good. Anabia, I will give you a star. Okay. See, I will give you a big one star like this. Look at this. I will give you a star. Very nice. Okay. So, okay. और किसने किया है वर्कशीट? दिखाए मुझे शाबाश कि मैं उनको भी स्टार दूं. Show me. Okay, now this is your homework. Okay, आपने घर में homework करना है, फिर कल आपको भी star मिलेगा. So this is digit 3. Now the another one is, wow, very colorful fish head. So which date is this class? Today we learn which date is. Yesterday हमने कौन सा digit पढ़ा था? 4. You remember class? Very nice. So all of you show me your 4 fingers. Show me. Shabash. Urwa, you have done very good. All of you, Urwa, clapping kare tab shabash. Clap for Urwa. Good girl. Very good. Very nice. Okay, so which date is this? 4. Like I will show you 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So look at your book. Which date is this? 4. Repeat with me. Which date is this? 4. Okay. And what are these? 4 fishes. What are these? 4 fishes. Very colorful fishes. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fishes? 4 fishes. Okay. How many fishes? 4 fishes. Like I will show you 4 things. Okay, one ruler, 2, 3 and 4. See, 1 marker. Now second one is ruler, 3 है ruler दोबारा और 4th one है pencil. So how many things are there? How many things? 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it. Repeat with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very good. So these are 4. Okay. Now count with me. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of you, bache, close your books and let's start our activity. Okay. And today our activity name is, okay, our activity name is count the digits and print the thumb impression. Okay, like बच्चे, this finger is called thumb. Okay, ये finger जो होता है ये कौन सा होता है? thumb. आज हम digit को देखेंगे और उसी तरह उस पे 1, 2, 3 और 4 हम fingerprints लगाएंगे. Okay, so now I will show you the poster color. See, blue poster color. First we use this poster color. Okay, before we start this activity, उससे पहले एक दफा हम रिवाइज करते हैं. Which date is this? 1. और 1 के ऊपर कितने स्टार है? These are 2 stars और 1 star. 1 star. Very good. Okay. After 1, which date is this? 2. Very good. This is digit 2 and how many stars? How many? 2 stars. Very good. Okay, after 2, which date is this? 3. Very good. And what are these? These are 2 stars or 3 stars? Tell me, Shabash. Very good. 3 stars. So, and the last one is 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. How many stars? 4 stars. So, now we start our activity and first we use this blue color poster color. Okay, open this poster color, paint like this and dip your thumb finger. Okay, like this. And then 1 के सामने हमने कौन सा thumb impression लगाना है? Only 1. Wow, look at this class. 1 because 1 सिर्फ एक ही है ना, उसका कोई फ्रेंड है तो हम उसके सामने सिर्फ 1 thumb impression लगाएंगे. ओके, एंड आफ्टर 1, सो 1 के बाद कौन सा डिजिट आता है? 2. और 2 के ऊपर कितने स्टार है? 2 स्टार है. तो अब हम 2 के सामने कितने thumb impression लगाएंगे? हाउ मेनी? 2. ओके, only 2. Like this. Look at my finger and then apply it like this. 1 and after 1, how many? 2. Very good. Very nice. So 2 के सामने हमने कितने thumb impression लगाए हैं? 2. After 2, we have another one digit like this. 1 के ऊपर 1 स्टार था तो हमने 1 thumb impression लगाया है. और 1 के बाद फिर 2 है तो 2 के ऊपर 2 स्टार्स है तो हमने 2 के सामने कितने thumb impressions लगाए हैं? 2. ओके, आफ्टर 2 अब हम 2 के बाद कौन सा डिजिट आता है? 3. वेरी गुड. व्हिच डिजिट इज दिस? 3. एंड व्हाट आर दीज? हाउ मेनी स्टार्स? 3 stars. Like 1, 2, 3. Very good. So again we apply the blue color poster color on your thumb finger like this and then apply it. Okay, like repeat, bache, count with me. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. So how many? 3. How many? 3. Okay, 1, so 1 thumb. 2, so 2 thumb. Now 3. So 3 thumbprints. Okay, like 1, 2, 3. How many thumbprints? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have only last one is left and the last one is 4. So जिस तरह बुक में 4 fishes थे ना, इसी तरह 4 के ऊपर कितने stars है? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars? 4 stars. So now again we dip your this thumb finger in poster color like this and then apply it. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3 and again it's dry. तो अब हम दोबारा लगाएंगे, ठीक है? Last one is 4. Very good, very colorful activity. So today we do an activity and the activity name is count the digit and print the thumb impression. बच्चे thumb impression means कि आप लोगों ने जिस तरह आपके 5 fingers है ना, तो this finger is called thumb. Okay, this is your thumb finger, pointer, middle, ring finger and pinky. So this is your thumb finger. So we can apply thumb prints. Okay, like 1 के सामने हमने 1 लगाया था, 2 के सामने हमने 2 लगाया था और 3 के सामने हमने 3 लगाया था और 4 के सामने कितने? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so today we do an activity and activity is very interesting. Are you like class? Raise your hand. किस किस को ये activity पसंद आई है बच्चे? Show me your hand. शाबाश. किस किस को ये activity पसंद आई है? Show me. Very good. Very nice. So today we learn digit 4. Like today we revise these digits like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 digits. 1. उसके सामने हमने कितने fingerprints लगाए हैं? 1, 2. So these are 2 fingerprints. 3. So these are 3 fingerprints and 4. So these are 4 fingerprints. Okay. I hope you like this class. So आज के लिए इतना काफी है. कल हम फिर मिलेंगे. Okay. So see you later. Bye bye. Thank you.